First, open the handle. Align the Skarper drive unit's pins with the alignment holes on the disk drive rotor. Push the Skarper unit onto your disk drive rotor, making sure it's sitting flush. Close the handle. Make sure the Skarper drive unit is fully engaged and the handle is fully closed. After fitting your Skarper drive unit, rotate it clockwise towards the chainstay to see roughly where to place the chainstay latch. Wrap the provided frame protection tape around this area. Loosely tighten the chainstay latch to the chainstay using a 3mm Allen key. Do not tighten the strap yet. Using a pair of snips or scissors, cut away any excess strap. Adjust the position of the chainstay latch so the latch bolt sits centrally in the Skarper drive unit chainstay attachment. Fully tighten the chainstay latch using a 3mm Allen key. If the Skarper drive unit touches any part of your bike frame, please contact us before going for a ride.